Hello everyone, welcome to the workshop again. Today we are going to do the unboxing of something interesting. By chance I have this my Tech starter with a 3D printed base for the battery, so I don't need to be keeping the battery hanging from the wires. But why I say by chance, because here is something that is going to change a little bit the game. Let me open it. It's completely new, just arrived this morning. Alright, what we have here: manual, padding, a free gift. It's good. I know what it is. It's a tachometer. And so far you should have guessed what is this. Okay, here we have a ESC. Why ESC? Let's see. Muffler. Nice. Now you know why, huh? The CDI and some other functions. Spark plug. This is the normal 26. Okay, good. We have yeah, this looks like a motor mount, and it looks like 3D printed. No, this is molded. It really looks like 3D printed. Let's see. All set of hardware, screws, long screws made for standoffs. Gasket, some tools, some washers, more screws, more bolts, and now the star. Okay, what we have here? This is a really neat engine. This is a 20cc rear carburetor engine, 20cc as I mentioned. But what makes this one, and also it's rear exhaust, right? And what makes this engine particular is that it has the starter with a brushless motor, and this is factory made. I don't need to adapt anything, and is the first in its class for this size, for at least for what I know. I've been looking for auto start engines, and usually starting from 30, 35 you can get the kit to adapt for DLE, or you can buy from one guy in I think it's in Germany, who's making for for the NGH. But this one is factory made, factory mounted, everything is there. So this is for me is quite a new brand. The brand is called EPHIL. You see, EPHIL brand, and we have all this very nice manual in English. You need to request in English, because this is made in China, and you will receive just one set. It's not like a multi-language manual, so you need to request. If you want in English, you want to French, you want in Spanish, you want to, or else by default you're going to receive just Chinese. All right, we see that the engine goes to the CDI, then you have the starter, we have the ESC that will move the motor, and you have the battery. So it's going to be nice, and this one is going to be installed in my new VQ-T28 Trojan. I think the size is quite right. Later I am going to do the unboxing of the VQ Trojan, and I will present the engine to show how it goes. And still a little bit curious on this motor mount. Yeah, it looks quite right. It looks strange the other side, right? Because it has these indentations here. Okay, now it's very nice. Okay, so this one is more than a motor mount. This is like a spacer, because the actual mounts will be these long bolts that will go all the way here to the firewall. So this one is going to be like a nice, very solid spacer, right? The carburetor is a normal Walbro type carburetor, which is the idle screw that usually you remove after you start the engine, the choke, and the throttle. All very standard. This totally not new for anyone. Even the brand is Walbro, right? It's not Walbro type, it's Walbro. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching. Keep posted for the unboxing of the T28. It's a really nice plane, and it's going to sport this engine in front. And later I will show you, when I start the braking, I will show you how the auto start, or the included start works. That's good. So for the time being, this one is going to be on temporary retirement. Of course, I'm still going to use it for my 38cc NGH for the 0, and also for the 17cc for the P47. But this one looks really, really, really nice, and I always wanted to have one with a starter. Okay, thank you very much. Have a good day and keep posted.